Hello children, today let us learn how to frame a paragraph on any topic. First, what shall we do? We will collect words related to the topic. Our today's topic is an excursion trip. A short trip means an excursion trip. How to start? First, related to excursion trip, words are planning. First, planning we do. Then, the date we fix for the journey and where to visit. Hire vehicle. For the journey, we hire vehicle. We carry things with us. The sightseeing which we see through the bus or through the car or any vehicle. Then, what is the reaching time of the bus to that place? Inside view. After reaching that place, what are the things we see? Then lunch. After watching everything, we take lunch. Then after lunch, we enjoy for some time and then we return home. That is return time. And overall view. What is your view related to the topic that you will write? Now, first comes here we saw planning first. Planning. First, where did you plan to visit? Last year with your family. That means last year you visited some place that you have to write, and that should be one day trip. Here I have mentioned zoo, Nico Park, Science City, Mother's Village. Any one topic you can take, or all the topic you can take, but one by one you will complete the paragraph. First for zoo you complete, then for Nico Park you will complete, then for Science City you will. But the framing should be in this way, or you can add your own also. First, where did you plan to visit? Last year with your family. What will you write? We planned to visit zoo or Nico Park or city or Mother's Village. Our clues, your teacher will give you the clue, and with the help of that clue, what you will do? You will frame the sentences. Either you keep questions in your mind or you keep clues in your mind. After observing the clue, you think it over, the question, and then you write the answer. You will get all the paragraph. You will get the paragraph. Okay. Where did you plan to visit? Everything will be in past tense because you already visited over there. We planned to visit zoo or Nico Park, anything else. But everything you should keep in your mind that what will you write? Second point is outward journey. That means date you start. When did you start your journey? We started our journey on 2nd October 2019 at 7 a.m. in the morning. See, when did you start? Did is there, past tense. Start will be past only. Your answer will be in past tense. We started our journey on 2nd October 2019 at 7 a.m. in the morning. If your teacher will give the clue, which type of clue she will give? Start, journey, October, morning. Then with the help of this clue, you will be able to frame the sentences. So start means we started. Journey means we started our journey. On which date of month? On 2nd October. When? At 7 a.m. in the morning. So these are the clues. This will help you to frame a sentence. First, we planned to visit. Second, we started our journey. Then which vehicle? By which vehicle you went there? Which vehicle did you hire for the trip? We hired bus, car, jeep for the trip. So your clues: hire, vehicle, trip. For hire, what will you write? We hired bus for the trip, or we hired car for the trip. We hired jeep for the trip. Only one vehicle you have to mention. Then what comes? Carry things. What are the things you carry with you while journey? While one day, if you are doing one day journey, you will write accordingly. That means, what did you carry with you? We carried biscuit, dairy milk, sandwich and water bottle. Carry and thing. That means we carried things like dairy milk, sandwich, paratha, snacks, whatever else you want. Here I have mentioned one summer checklist. Summer picnic. What are the things we carry during summer, or what are the things we carry during winter? Then seat. Where did you sit? Then how did you enjoy on the way? Watch on the way. That means, where did you sit and what did you enjoy? So you can write, I took window seat, or you can write, I sat by the side of window. And I also enjoyed. What did you enjoy? The sightseeing. I took window seat and I also enjoyed the sightseeing. If you will get the clue, take, seat, enjoy, scene. So what will you write? I took window seat in the bus and enjoyed the scene through the window. Enjoyed the scene through the window. Then reaching time. What is your reaching time? When did you reach? We reached zoo or whatever else. We reached on time, or we reached in the morning time by 7. We reached over there. We reached, you will write. Did you reach? Did means past. Your reach will be reached. Reach is your first form of verb. So if you will get clue, reach and time, what you can write? We reached. That place you will mention. We reached this on time. Inside view or sight inside. Inside view, what did you see there? And what is the sight you saw inside? I saw many. What did you see inside the zoo or science city, mother's village, anything? I saw many animals, birds, butterflies and ponds in the zoo. Anything you can write. So it depends upon you. I saw many colorful rides, parks, tea stalls. In where? In Nico Park. Or I saw science model, space center, museum. Where? In Science City. So what did you see inside that? Then lunch together. After observing or after watching the thing, what you do? You had your lunch. So what will you write? We had our lunch outside. Or you can write, we enjoyed our lunch in a hotel. Or you can write, we had delicious lunch together. So if you will get two clue, lunch and enjoy, it will be easy for you. We had our lunch outside in a hotel. We enjoyed the lunch. Anything you can write. Then return time. What is the inward journey? When did you reach home? We reached home at 6 p.m. We reached home at 8 p.m. in the evening. So if you get clues like return, reach and home, so you can use all these three. We returned home or we reached home at 8 p.m. or 6 p.m. or anything you can write. And overall view, how was the trip? Oh, the trip was wonderful. I enjoyed a lot. I spent a quality time over there. If you get the clues like about and trip, what will you write? The trip was wonderful. I spent a quality time over there. So, children, in this way, we can write a paragraph on an excursion tip or journey by train. All these clues will help you. With the help of clues, children, try to frame a paragraph on. Suppose I have not mentioned any place. You take any topic. You can take zoo, or you can take Nico Park, or you can take Science City. But you prepare 4 paragraph writing on an excursion trip. 4 using such clues, or you can add your own, my dear children. Thank you very much and enjoy the work.